Santa loves them, your kids love them, and frankly, what would Christmas be without Christmas cookies? So I'm gonna show you how Icebox cookies are the perfect cookie because you can make the dough ahead of time, freeze them, slice them, and bake them. And I've got some cute ways to decorate them. Icebox cookie dough is a classic recipe. Some people call them refrigerator cookies. I've got some dough right here that I already made yesterday and I've refrigerated overnight. I'm gonna turn this cookie dough into 3 different adorable holiday cookies. I rolled it to about 2 inches in diameter. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut it, and out of 1 roll, you should be able to get 24 cookies. Now I'm just gonna put these in the oven at 350 degrees for about 8 to 10 minutes. To decorate our little reindeer cookies, I'm starting with an eggnog nutmeg frosting. Now I'm just gonna top these off with a little sanding sugar. To make them look like little reindeer, I'm using some sparkle gel in black, and I'm just gonna draw 2 little parentheses, and then I'm gonna add little antlers like that. And then of course you need 2 little eyes. Now to finish off my cookies, I'm gonna go ahead and give them a cute little red nose using sparkle gel in red. Aren't those so super cute? Next, I'm gonna make holiday cheer cookies that are in the shape of wreaths. These are so easy to make. So again, I've got my Icebox cookie dough, and I'm using an icing tip that's got about a 1/2 inch opening at the top. It's a 2A tip in case you're interested. And all I'm gonna do is just cut open a little hole to make our wreath shape, just like that. Now I'm just gonna pop these in the oven. Once these have cooled, it's time to decorate them, and my little secret weapon here is the green decorating icing that already comes inside of a pack. And the coolest thing, you guys, is that it's got a star tip right on it that's gonna make that really cool wreath texture that we want for these cookies. Now I'm gonna top these off with some sugar crystals. They're a little bit coarser than sanding sugar, so it's gonna kind of give it that feeling of like freshly fallen snow. And then I've got these super cute large confetti sprinkles in red, and I'm just gonna take 3 of them and just sort of bunch them together like they were little holly berries. And now it's time to plate them. And for these Let It Snow cookies, grab a toothpick. I'm just gonna go ahead and draw a snowflake on each one. Remember that no 2 snowflakes are alike, so you can really have fun with this. Look at how cute these are. They look like little snowflakes. And once they've cooled, it's time to decorate them. I'm going to brush them with a little bit of blue food coloring that I've added some water to. And now I'm just gonna add a little bit of white cookie icing around the outside. Then I'm gonna just dip this in the sanding sugar. And there we go. How cute are those? Now your cookies are perfectly decorated to share. They're great for a holiday party, maybe even a cookie exchange, or just box them up and give them to your neighbors. And you know what they say, a balanced diet is a Christmas cookie in each hand.